In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Solver add-in in Microsoft Excel. The Solver feature in Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool that helps you perform advanced calculations and optimization tasks. It is commonly used when you need to find the best possible result for a formula by adjusting different variables. However, before you can start using Solver, you first need to make sure that the feature is enabled inside Excel. If Solver is already active in your Excel setup, you will normally see it inside the Data tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. The button will appear along with other data tools, making it easy to access whenever you need it. But in some cases, the feature is not turned on by default, which means it will not appear there right away. If you look at the Data tab and do not see the Solver option, that simply means the add-in needs to be enabled. To do this, start by going to the File menu located in the top left corner of Excel. Once the File menu opens, click Options to access the Excel settings window. Inside the Options window, look for the section labeled Add-ins. When you click it, you will see a list showing the different add-ins that are available in Microsoft Excel. At first glance, it might seem like you should enable Solver directly from this list, but the actual control for activating it is located further down the window. Near the bottom of the screen, you will find a section labeled Manage. In this area, make sure that Excel Add-ins is selected from the drop-down menu. After confirming that, click the Go button next to it. This will open another small window that displays the available Excel add-ins that can be enabled. Within this list, locate the option called Solver Add-in. Once you find it, simply click the checkbox beside it to turn the feature on. After selecting it, click OK to confirm your choice and apply the change. As soon as you close the window, return to the Data tab on the ribbon. You should now see the Solver tool available among the data features. This means the add-in has been successfully enabled and you can begin using it whenever you need to perform optimization or advanced analysis in Excel. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to hit the notification bell.